Hi everybody. Today I will tell you a little secret about your quads. Your quads are muscles with 4 heads. So every quad has 4 heads, and one of those 4 heads is first in line that will go in an atrophy if you are still in immobilization, you're still because of an injury, you're not moving that part of your body. So I will show you a little movement that will help you to make that head stronger. Are you in? I believe you are. So you can sit on a chair, your back are straight, of course, you tuck in your belly button, everything you know you do. And when you extend your knee, you rotate your leg from a hip in outer way. Okay? So I extend and I rotate my fingers on the outer side, okay? Not in, you go out. And when you repeat this, you will feel the particular part of the quad that is hurting, that is working, and that's that head that needs to be strong to keep your muscle in right action. So you can do whatever you did before you were in immobilization of this muscle. I believe this was useful. I believe you will use it. I believe you will share it. And I believe we see each other in some other video in English. Bye.